What's up, everybody? This is Chris McGrew at Myers 4x4, and oh, excuse me. Show you guys what we're doing today. So, we already got the tranny off. I didn't get that on video. I had forgot my camera at home, so I actually had to go back home and get it. But I already came up here, so I at least wanted to get something done to where I could get to a good stopping point. So, but I'll show you guys where I'm at and kind of what I need to do, and yeah. So right now we got the tranny off, we got the motor sitting here, we got to get the flywheel off, and I'm gonna get the starter off too, that way it's all out of the way. So get the torque converter off, get all that out of here, and get all the wiring and everything cleaned up too, make it nice and pretty to where you know what you're looking at. And then over here we got the tranny on the stand. So this thing's actually pretty light. It's a lot lighter than what I thought it was going to be. So I got the tranny sitting over here on the stand. So yeah, we'll catch up with you guys when we get toward into that a little more. I got that on video. Hey Dad, you mind holding this flywheel for me?
Yep, 1 second, one.
Go ahead. Hey guys, so got the motor and tranny on a stand, and where she'll sit till we get some new parts for her and start building these two up. So got them on the stand. I'm happy about that. Alright, we're back today. I kind of did a little bit of work without you guys. Sorry about that. I had to run back and actually go grab the camera so I could get this on video, but I'll show you guys where I'm at right now and what I plan on doing, and yeah, I'll give you guys a little bit of a rundown. So right here we got the wiring harness off. We're gonna get the fuel rail off hopefully, and then I want to get the injectors out. Back here looks like we got a ground cable to unhook. We got all these miscellaneous sensors and stuff undone up over here. So we're gonna start from back to front. We're gonna move that sort of direction. And got everything else kind of just hanging off the side of the motor. So, but as the process keeps going, we'll put you guys up on a little stand and let you guys kind of watch it. So I will see you guys when I get the wiring harness off. You guys over here so you get a better angle of what I'm kind of doing. I'm gonna unloosen. We got some just like little plastic clamps right here, so I'm gonna get those all done. You look like we got some type of sensor right here, right here, right here, right here. Looks like we may have some clamps on the bottom that we'll have to undo. Yeah, got some clamps on the bottom I'll have to get undone. So I just wanted to get you guys over here, show you what I was doing. Bracket is it's bolted up. It's bolted up there. I thought that was pretty cool. Just figured I'd show you guys that. I don't know if you can see it from over here. So go ahead and get that unbolted, and the wire harness should drop right down. Very wrong. You do not have to unbolt that at all. It's just a bunch of like push pins fit to these little holes right here. So I took a screwdriver, got those out. There they go. Oh, they're still on the back side. But yeah, you just take a screwdriver, pop them bad boys out, and they come right out. So got the wiring harness off. I'll show you guys. Ooh, excuse me. I got it all laid out for you guys. It's all spread out across here. Some of you may ask what all those little connections are for, and to be honest, don't know what all of them are for, but that's what YouTube U is for. So I'm gonna do a little looking into everything and seeing a little bit more of what we do need and what we don't need. So, but we got all that off of there, so she's all exposed. I'm gonna work on getting the rest of those hoses off of there. So you guys seen I was taking a lot of pictures. That's one thing I'm gonna highly suggest, is taking a lot of pictures, and even getting yourself a baggie so that you can throw all your, like right here I got all my bolts right here, and then I got torque converter, bell housing bolts. Just put them all up and mark them that way. I even marked this right here for let's see if I want to have cruise control again. And you got these right here. I took pictures of everything. I took tons of pictures. That is one thing I cannot stress enough. You can never take too many pictures. Even if you think they're stupid, just take it. You never know. So I'm gonna get these all bagged up though, and after I get those all bagged up, we'll start working on getting the other hoses out, and I'll kind of catch up with you when we get there. got the intake off. We're gonna go ahead and grab the vacuum, suck some of this garbage out of here, all that nasty stuff. So it's definitely gonna need to be cleaned up. But we'll go ahead and get that vacuumed out of there and catch up with you guys when we're done.
Give it puppy power. Fuck the horsepower. We give it puppy power.
Alrighty, so we got the fan intake off. I think this would be a nice little stopping point for today. Tomorrow we're gonna come in. We're gonna get the headers off. Probably get the coil packs off, and then I don't know if we're gonna take the heads off or not. We'll figure it out tomorrow. See how far we get. Probably strip down this front end a little bit more. We're gonna call it quits for today. So thank you guys for tuning in.